two lines means? We can say
Parallel.
parallel lines. Very good, bacha. Parallel lines. Now, if I say, how do we say that these two lines are parallel? Can anybody tell me?
Same size.
Same side to gamme etli moti hoy. If this is extended from here, let me clear you. If this is shorter one, then to this two lines are said to be parallel line. Are you getting? Lines which has equal in distance and going through with the same position is known as parallel lines. Are you getting? Now, how do we recognize that this is a parallel line? What does this line belongs to the other two lines? This chapter is done in 6th standard. Let me clear you. What does this line, if this is line L, for example, this is line M, and this is line L. So can we say that line M and N are parallel to each other?
Yes.
Yes. Now what does this line L say to be? Can we say this is a transversal line crossing through parallel lines, line M and line N? With the help of this transversal line. Transversal means what? Line L is transversal to line M and line L is transversal to line N. This symbol is said to be transversal. Undo capital T. If you do remember. I don't know you remember or not.
Remember.
Barabar? So what does this belong to? Yes. But now what we have to do? We have to just say that if this angle is equal to this angle, what does this angle belongs to? એવી જ રીતે આ angle ને equal કરે છે. What does this angle belongs to? એવી જ રીતે this angle is equal to the other angle over here, and this angle is equal to this angle. Are you getting? So these all angles are what? What do you mean by this angle? અહીંયાથી આ angle જે measurement નો હશે એ જ આ angle હશે. Why? Because it is transversal to the parallel lines. આ line જેટલા ડિસ્ટન્સમાં છે એના equal ડિસ્ટન્સમાં જ આ line છે. And this line is crossing thoroughly in the same position. So this angle will be constructed equally to this angle. So these angles are known as corresponding angles. And kaya angles kehવાય? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are always equal. Now this angle, exam માં આ chapter relate નથી કરતો. This is to understand the content. Understood? Now this angle and this angle is what? What do you mean by these two angles?
Vertically opposite angle.
તો આને શું કહેવાય? If this angle and this angle is vertically opposite, તો this angle and this angle શું કહેવાય? આ બંને angle?
Vertical opposite.
So these two angles are what? Form a linear pair.
Linear pair. Linear pair.
Linear pair, and linear pair always forms how much degree?
180 degree.
How? From this angle to this angle, if you say, is this a straight angle forming here? A line ne construct karo tame, protector muko, then this angle is forming 180 degree here. So linear pair, aju baju na be angle, this angle and this angle always form 180 degree. Understood? These two angles are linear pairs. Chalo. હજી આ આપણા ચેપ્ટર ને કોઈ રિલેટ કરતું નથી. This is for your kind refreshment of 6th standard. Understood? These two are corresponding angles. According to you, these angles are said to be vertically opposite angles. બરાબર ને? According to you, these angles are said to be, these two are said to be what? Linear pairs. Am I correct?
Yes.
Now, okay, come on. Now, what does this angle and this angle are said to be?
Alternate opposite angle.
Alternate opposite.
Alternate opposite angle नहीं, interior alternate angles. Opposite नहीं दिख रहा. If this is vertically opposite angles, let me clear you. These two are equal, but this and this angle is alternate interior angles. બંને અંદરના angle છે. If this angle is 80 degree, so this will be also 80 degree. Understood? If this is of 110 degree, this is also will be 110 degree. So alternate interior angles are never opposite. Alternate interior angles are always equal. Understood?
Yes.
Alternate interior angles. So with the help of this, now this is our main point. With the help of this, we have to construct a parallel lines. Now before we go through with this, what do you mean by practical geometry? In practical geometry, we will be required with what? Su jose. Can anyone tell me su jose apne?
Protector and scale.
We will be required with the whole geometrical compass. From compass, we have to use scale, pencil, rubber. Then what else we will be required with? I forgot. कोई कैसे मना?
Protector.
Protector and then
Scale.
Sir, triangle એને શું કહેવાય?
triangle. Set square નથી use કરવાના. We do not require with set square.
Sir, scale.
Rounder.
Rounder. Exactly.
Scale.
Set square અને divider નો કોઈ use નથી. Let me clear you. So for doing this practical geometry, we will be required with scale, pencil, rubber, then protector. Protector
and
કેવું
rounder.
આવે? Protector કેવું આવે? D shape નું આવે. Like this.
sir, આવું.
From 0 degree to 180 degree, it is written on the left hand side also. And in age was to right hand side.
Right
to
hand
180
side.
Degree, 180 degree અહીંયા લખેલો હોય. Two columns will be there. That is what known as protector. બંને side થી measure થાય એવી રીતે. Are you getting? Then we have to use rounder and pencil. What do you mean by rounder?
Sir, circle કરવા માટે.
Yeah, circle કરવા માટે is okay. Rounder is like this. Like this. The top point are there. And then from here, the two columns are dragged. One we have with the pencil column to be fulfilled. Like this. And two columns are at sharpened point, having very sharp point underneath on it. Yes or no? Like this.
Yes,
Like
sir.
this. This is known as rounder. Samjhai chhe? So this is what we have
Yes.
to use.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Now what to do in this? We know that in practical geometry, these are the things what we have to use. And our first topic is regarding a parallel lines. I already explained you the chapter of 6th standard what we studied. Parallel lines with the help of transversal. That two alternate interior angles are always equal. With the help of these two angles, can we say that આમને line n અને line n તો ખબર ના પડે whether it is parallel or not? કેમ કે આગળ જઈને આમ ક્રોસ થતી હોય ને આમ ક્રોસ થતી હોય તો એ તો intersecting line થઈ જાય. Are you getting or not? So how can we say that these two lines are parallel? With the help of interior alternate angles. With the help of what? Interior alternate angles. We can recognize that line M and line L are parallel lines. Understood, boys? समझ पड़े छे?
Yes.
Yes.
નાવ આ તો કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન તો રેડી હતું સરે કરેલું, એટલે તમને ખબર પડી ગઈ કે લાઈન એલ અને લાઈન એમ, સોરી એમ એન્ડ એન્ડ આપણે પેરેલલ છે. ચલો, નાવ what will be the things given? How do we recognize? We will be given only the questions such as construct a parallel line. First of all, I'll write the topic here. Construct parallel lines. Now question will be given, construct parallel line from line L. How can we construct from line L? સીધે સીધું એમ કેમ કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરી લેવું કે લાઈન એલ ઉપરથી પેરેલલ લાઈન લઈ લેવાની? સર, હાઉ કેન વી રેકોગ્નાઇઝ ધેટ? ધેટ ઇઝ વોટ વી હેવ ટુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ કે લાઈન એલ છે. ચલો, એ લોકોએ કહી દીધું લાઈન એલ છે. નાઉ વી હેવ ટુ કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ લાઈન, અ પેરેલલ લાઈન ફ્રોમ લાઈન એલ. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ બોયઝ? ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, ધીસ ઇઝ લાઈન એલ. So how do we construct a parallel line of line L? કોઈ બેઝિક હિન્ટ ખરી આપણી પાસે? કોઈ પાસે પણ? ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, ચલો હું તમને કહું કે લાઈન એલ અને લાઈન એમ પેરેલલ કરવાની છે. We don't have line M. We have to construct with the help of geometrical sector. How can we do that?
લાઈન એલ થી વચ્ચેથી લાઈન એમ બનાવવાની, સેન્ટર પોઈન્ટ.
No, beta, you are nearby, but this is not done. We will take anywhere. We will take point A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, whatever. Line L and line M બનાવવાની છે, તો L અને M ને નહીં છેડીએ આપણે. From A to Z, rest of the other, any letter, whatever is your favorite, you will take, for example, point A over here. આપણે point A અહીંયા લીધો. Okay? We will take point A right here. Any doubt with this? What I did? Boys?
રાઉન્ડર થી લાઈન બનાવશો બે
Wait.
point થી.
અરે ભાઈ, તું જોને હવે યાર, હવે તને તારું કામ થઈ ગયું પૂરું. હવે સર એક્સપ્લેન કરે, તું હા કે નાના જવાબ દે ને. આ સમજાણું આટલું?
Yes.
Yes.
We can take anywhere point A on line L, anywhere. અહીંયા લઈ શકો, અહીંયા લઈ શકો, અહીંયા લઈ શકો, અહીંયા લઈ શકો, ગમે ત્યાં તમે point A લઈ શકો, but it should be on line L. Line L ની ઉપર નીચે ન હોવું જોઈએ. Line A ઉપર જ point હોવો જોઈએ. Is it clear? And then we will take point P anywhere outside the line L. અહીંયા ઉપર ગમે ત્યાં લઈ શકો, નીચે ગમે ત્યાં લઈ શકો. If I take point P over here, for example, ચલો અહીંયા લઉં છું થોડું. ચલો, point P I am taking over here. Okay? This is point P. I am taking point P outside line L. Understood what I did? Understood what I did or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now what I will do, my first job is I will join point A and P here. What I did, I have joined point A and point P. Now what else we have to do? We have to open rounder and pencil. You do have rounder and pencil with you all. What you have to do, you have to open it. Open એટલે શું કે ભાઈ આખું આમ બ્રોડ નથી કરી નાખવાનું. You have to open randomly. થોડું 1-2 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter completely. You can open it according to your measurement. No need to worry. Random measurement એટલે કોઈ પણ measurement લઈ શકો તમે. Understood? What you have to do? Understood what you have to do?
Yes.
Now taking point A, ઓલી જે અણી વાળો ખૂણો હોય ને રાઉન્ડર નો, એ A ઉપર મૂકવાનો, and you have to construct an arc with the measurement what you took. For example, broad કર્યું આટલું તમે. Okay, આટલું broad કર્યું છે rounder and pencil. તો આ પોઈન્ટ જે છે અને આ પોઈન્ટ છે એટલા મેઝરમેન્ટ થી જ હવે અહીંયા શું કરવાનું છે? આર્ક કરવાનો છે in such a way that one line touches on line L and from there the arc is drawn cutting line segment AP. આને શું કહેવાય? line segment AP. શું કહેવાય? આ point છે એને શું કહેવાય? So this point is, this arc is intersecting at line segment AP. Understood how the arc is constructed? Wait, આપણે
Yes.
line છે ને બીજાની બનાવીએ, point અલગ કલર માં આપીએ. Arc, ચલો arc I am preparing in green end. Okay, ચલો. Now can we say that this point is intersecting point on line segment AP? This point is on A, on line L. હવે આ જે મેઝરમેન્ટ થયું એનો આર્ક બન્યો. With this measurement, what you took randomly, we placed on point A and we have drawn an arc. In the same way, we have to place the same measurement. No need to change the measurement. Place pointer at point P and draw an arc over here like this. ઊંધો આર્ક કરો આવી રીતે આમ, in the same position, crossing. Same position. The point arc should be crossed at line segment AP. જેમ આ ક્રોસ થયું એવી રીતે ક્રોસ થઈ ગયું. Again, what we did, we took point A on line L, we took point P outside line L, we joined point A and P. Understood? Now with the help of rounder and pencil, with the random measurement, with this measurement, for example, you took 2 centimeter randomly, not with the scale. If this is of 2 centimeter, from point A, you have drawn arc over here for 2 centimeter and give the intersecting point, sharpen. બરાબર છે? On line segment AP. સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં? With the help of same measurement, from point P, you have drawn the another arc on point on line segment AP and you have given the sharpen point on it. Now, forget about this measurement. What we have to do, we have to forget about the measurement of the things what you have taken while constructing the first arc. Okay, sir, હવે આ ભૂલીને શું કરવાનું? We have to prepare the new arc, new measurement. Open rounder and pencil. હવે આ જે point L ઉપર જે point મળેલો જ ને, point L ઉપર જે point મળેલો, જ્યાં pointer મૂકવાનું છે, open pencil sector and measure up till here. હવે હું આ તમને ખાલી દેખાડવા પૂરતું કરું છું. We do not have to draw this. a gray line કરવાની નથી, બરાબર છે? ખાલી આ જે મેઝરમેન્ટ હવે જે મળશે ને, this measurement, આટલું મેઝરમેન્ટ મળ્યું આપણે કે નથી મળ્યું? આટલું મેઝરમેન્ટ મળ્યું બોયઝ? આ મેઝરમેન્ટ મળ્યું ને? So this measurement should be taken over here at this point. This point we have to point a pointer here. Okay, pointer મૂકવાનું છે અહીંયા. And what we have to do, we have to draw from here, we have to draw the another arc with the same measurement. આ measurement થી, okay, આ measurement થી અહીંથી point લઈને આવી રીતનો intersecting arc કરવાનો છે. Understood or not, boys? What we did?
Yes.
Only Sanraj is understanding?
Yes.
So this intersecting point we got is the another arc with the same measure of here. Now what if our last step is to join this line segment. And after joining this line segment, we can extend it from here. We can extend it from here also. So line M is formed. with the help of construction. How you can recognize that line M is formed? Because can we see this is an interior alternate angles are always with the equal measure. Boys, are you understanding the content? This line,
Yes.
this arc and this arc are interior alternate angles. These two angles are interior alternate angles. So when interior alternate angles are equal, we can say that line M and line L are parallel to each other. Anybody has any doubt with the construction of parallel lines? Boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt while constructing parallel lines?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Pakko ne? Again, line L we took.
Yes.
On line L, we have placed point A here, and we took point P on the outer of line L. Then we have joined this line. First part we completed. Then with the help of rounder and pencil with the random measurement, we place point A and we have drawn the arc over here. Barabar chhe? With the same measurement from point P, we have drawn the another arc on it. Then the arc what is drawn, from this we took the new measurement from this point to this point. With the help of that, we place on that point only and we have drawn the new arc on it. So we have got the intersecting point to fulfill the parallel lines. Anybody has any doubt?
No.
No.
Or Bacha Party?
Yes.
So our first topic of constructing a parallel lines. હવે line માં નામ આવી રીતના પણ આપેલા હોય, or it may be said to be line segment AB, line segment PQ, whatever it may be. We can easily construct the parallel lines. Understood? Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, next topic is constructing a triangle. Sorry. What do you mean by constructing triangles? Can anyone tell me?
We have to construct the triangle.
Okay. Triangle are of many types. We have to study all the types only. Okay. First topic what we have to study in this is when we have three sides given. When three sides are given. Now this to be understood. For example, if I say triangle, then triangle PQR is given. Chalo, PQ and R is given. Okay, triangle PQR is given, and if QR, if I say that, chalo, ek minute. PQ is equal to PQ is given 6 centimeter. Chalo, barabar. Then QR is given 7 centimeter and ER is given 5 centimeter. Okay. Now all three sides are given according to the question. We have to construct a triangle constructing the triangles. So 3 sides are given and we have to construct triangle PQR. Boys, समझ पड़ा है कि नहीं?
हाँ.
Now what we have to do? We will do nothing. With the help of pencil and scale, we will draw a line segment. હવે આ ત્રણ લાઈન માંથી કોઈ પણ તમે લાઈન લઈ શકો છો. Any line according to your choice. It's nothing કે 6 centimeter પેલા આપ્યું છે એટલે 8 લેવું, 7 જ લેવું, 5 જ લેવું. No. You can take any line segment, okay, with any measure. But what I was supposed to do, I used to take the biggest line segment on the base end. એટલે construction બહુ જે મોટું થાય ના થાય. Understood? So, what is the bigger line segment here in this? Boys?
QR.
QR તો આટલી વાર કેમ લાગી તમને? QR is the baseline segment we will take because it's having 7 centimeter. Understood? So what we will do, we will place a scale and with the help of scale we will draw a line segment of 7 centimeter. Okay, wait. We will draw a line segment of 7 centimeter. Anybody has any doubt with this? What I did here?
No.
So this point will be of 0 centimeter and this point will be of 7 centimeter. હવે 7 centimeter થી નીચે ના જવાય, 7 centimeter થી ઉપર ના જવાય. Is that clear? What is the name QR? So we have to place a name over here as Q and over here as R. And we have to show that this measurement is of 7 centimeter. Understood? Things are done here. Now 7 centimeter is over for us. Now what is next point? PQ and PR is left. So we are supposed to find P. So PQ is what? 6 centimeter. Q કેટલું છે બેટા? PQ.
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter.
So we will open our rounder and pencil. We will open our rounder and pencil taking point Q as a center point. And we will draw an arc exactly with the measurement on scale what we got 6 centimeter. Rounder and pencil scale ઉપર open કરવાની છે 6 centimeter સુધી. બરાબર? After getting 6 centimeter of measurement in rounder and pencil, we will place at point Q, pointer point ne place karo, and we will draw an arc over here like this. બરાબર? Arc draw કરવાનો છે. Is that clear? We have drawn the arc here.
Yes.
This is with the distance from point Q of 6 centimeter. Now, PR is of what? 5 centimeter. Again, with the help of rounder and pencil, use your scale from 0 centimeter and open your pencil up till 5 centimeter. Barabar? You got 5 centimeter of measurement in rounder and pencil. After getting that 5 centimeter of measure, take center point R, place a pointer point over here and draw an arc of 5 centimeter distance in such a way that it intersect to the other arc. બીજા arc ને intersect કરતો arc બનાવવાનો છે. Is that clear? What we did here? So this point, intersecting point what we got, this is our point. What is this?
P. Point P. P.
Now, what we will do, we will join point P and Q, and we will join point P and R. And this, with the help of this, we will write here. This is of 6 centimeter. and this is of 5 centimeter. Our construction is over.
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this? What
No,
we
sir.
did?
No, sir.
No, sir.
સમજાય જ ને? એવું નથી ને કે બોર્ડ ને માર્કર ને સર નથી એટલે મને કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન નથી સમજાતું, એવું તો નથી ને? Boys, are you understanding the
No,
concept?
sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
સુફિયાન, નથી સમજાતું દીકરા?
સમજાય છે ને સર?
સમજાય છે?
સમજાય જ ને?
Yes.
Yes,
So our
sir. સમજાય છે.
construction of all 3 measurement with sides is over. સર આમાં તો આપણે આર્ક ખોટા કરીએ, આમનામ 6 સેન્ટીમીટર મેઝર કરીએ તો નો થઈ જ જાય ને? શું કામ ન થાય? Why it will not done? થઈ જ જાય. But
No થાય,
that is
sir.
not constructing. That is not a word constructing. Constructing means we have to construct with the help of rounder and pencil. સમજાય છે boys?
Yes.
Yes.
So we completed 2 topics to construct a parallel lines, and second topic was constructing triangles when we have 3 sides are given, when we are with 3 sides already given with us. Anybody has any doubt with these 2 topics?
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay, Khuda na shukar. Chalo. Now what we will do is, your homework is to revise both the topics what we did. Now we are left with only 3 topics to construct. Okay?
Yes,
If
sir.
one topic થઈ જાય, that means our chapter is over. આમાં કોઈ
Over.
લાંબી વસ્તુ નથી. Only your topic and your construction should be cleared. That means your chapter is over in practical geometry. Okay, boys? So what you have to do is, you have to just simply do one thing. You have to open your textbook if you have. If you have your PDF, open it and just go through and revise the concept for both the things what we have constructed. Okay? Anybody has any doubt with this?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well, and enjoy your next session thoroughly. Okay, boys? કોનો લેક્ચર છે એના પછીનો? એના પછીનો કોનો લેક્ચર છે?
Science.
Science.